Number 2, in solving simultaneous linear equations using elimination method, we look at the two equations. We try to choose the variables that have opposite signs for their coefficient. In other words, I have plus 5 here and minus 2 here. So I find the least common multiple, or the number that is the lowest common multiple, which is LCM for 5 and 2, and in this case it's 10. So I can say 10 divided by 5 it's 2, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. So this is what I ask myself: what should I multiply 5 with to get 10? So it's times 2. And what should I multiply 2 with in order to get 10? So it's times 5. So this is what I do to the equations. So equation 1, I multiply by 2. So I multiply it by 2. Therefore I get 3 times 2 is 6, and 5 times 2 is 10, and 19 times 2 is 38. Then I multiply the equation 2 by 5. So 5 times 4 is 20x, minus 2 times 5 is minus 10y, and minus 18 times 5 is minus 90. Now, why did I say in the beginning that you try to choose the coefficients that have opposite signs? Because now we can add, and when we add, the y will cancel, or it will disappear, because plus 10y minus 10y, you're going to have 0y, so no more y. So we only have to worry about the x, where when you add it, you're going to have, when you add these two equations, you're going to have 26x equals to minus 52. So now x is equal to minus 52 over 26, which is equal to minus 2. You take the minus 2 and you replace it either in the first equation or in the second equation in order for you to find y. Now here I chose the first equation. So replace x by minus 2. You are going to get y equals 5. Now, in order to check that my answer my value for x is, and my value for y is correct, or is the solution for the system, I take the second equation, the one that I did not use, and I replace those two values that I found. They should add up to minus 18. So 4 multiplied by minus 2 times the value of y, which is 5. So this was x and this was y, and the answer should be 18, which is minus 18, which is right. Therefore we say that x minus 2 and y 5, these are the solution for the system. Yani they satisfy both linear equations at the same time.